Imagine what it would look like if all Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular signals were visible to the naked eye.
Impressive how Hollywood can make it look so fun to be having an absolute crisis while smoking a cigarette.
I've never in my 38 years of existence used every paper in a single notebook, and probably never will.
Advertisers collect enough data to know you're interested in a product, but not enough to know you already purchased it.
There are many who have flipped more burgers than pages of books.
Throwing something far, hard, and accurate is a unique human evolutionary skill that was essential to human survival and civilization advancement for thousands of years. Today, it's only used almost exclusively in athletic events.
You can catch more flies with honey than with vinegar, but neither can hold a candle to bullshit.
Parrots are technically mockingbirds.
Googling your symptoms and getting the most concerning results may just be to scare you into getting professional help.
It's always closed captions as opposed to open captions.
A broken dishwasher makes a damn fine drying rack.
Now for a quick break, stay tuned for more shower thoughts.
Everyone pretends months are a consistent amount of time.
Way more pipe cleaners have been used for crafts than to clean pipes.
You won't be able to go to anyone's funeral who comes to yours.
Believing in Santa as an older child is a variation on Pascal's wager.
Your brain takes external stimuli and constructs them into a 3D headspace based on Euclidean geometry and your brain's preconceived notions of reality. Schizophrenia is what happens when your brain takes external stimuli and constructs them into a Salvador Dali painting.
When a killer is chasing you, you are both running for your life.
A marriage isn't truly successful until somebody dies. Now for a quick break. Stay tuned for more shower thoughts.
People are less surprised by corruption and more surprised by consequences of participating in corruption.
On leap years, salaried employees work an extra day for free.
Waffles are squares inside triangles inside a circle.
We are taught to be wary of strangers, yet we're converse, confide, and debate with them on the internet.
Taking a child on a vacation is the same as walking a dog. Supposedly relaxing things become tedious responsibilities.
People who make it to 113 have become teenagers again.
Muscle tissue is completely white. It's the blood cells that color it.
Amusement parks are one of the few places where kids screaming is a good thing.
Male country singers are in surprisingly good shape considering how much beer they sing about drinking.
Business CEOs in publicly traded corporations should not make more than the combined income of their workforce.
I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Thank you so much for listening, and we'll be back tomorrow with more mind-bending shower thoughts. Goodbye for now. If you like the soothing background music and my calming voice, then check out my other podcast called Terra Vitae, a daily guided meditation podcast. Embark on tranquil journeys through diverse natural landscapes, exploring the serenity and healing power of the natural world. Search for Daily Guided Meditation and look for Terra Vitae, or check the show notes page for the link. This podcast was produced by Klassic Studios. Please see the show notes page for source credits.